I tried to speak, but lost the words. Just your heartbeat louder than the world. Your fingers brushed against my skin, and every doubt gave way within. No rush, no fear, no need to hide.